Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your living spaces into havens of beauty and tranquility. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of feeling exposed to the street? Do you dream of a front yard that's a private sanctuary, a place where you can relax and enjoy your beautiful home without prying eyes? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of front yard privacy fences, and I'm going to show you 10 incredible designs that will not only give you the privacy you crave but will also dramatically boost your home's curb appeal. First, let's talk about what a front yard privacy fence really is. A front yard privacy fence is more than just a barrier. It's a purposeful design element that creates a secluded and intimate space in the front of your home. Unlike a traditional, see-through fence, a privacy fence is built to minimize visibility from the outside, often using solid panels, closely spaced slats, or dense landscaping. Its primary function is to block the view from the street and neighbors, but it also serves as a key part of your home's aesthetic. The design can range from modern and sleek to classic and rustic, blending seamlessly with your home's architecture and the surrounding landscape. It's about combining security and style to create a personal haven right outside your front door. The benefits of a well-designed front yard privacy fence are numerous. The most obvious advantage is the increased sense of privacy and seclusion it offers. You can enjoy your front yard, patio, or porch without the feeling of being on display. This creates a more relaxing and comfortable environment for you and your family. Beyond privacy, these fences significantly enhance security. They act as a deterrent to intruders and can help keep children and pets safely contained within your property. A privacy fence also helps to reduce noise from traffic and pedestrians, creating a quieter and more peaceful atmosphere. From a design perspective, a privacy fence provides a stunning backdrop for your landscaping. It can be a canvas for vertical gardens, a support for climbing plants, or a beautiful, clean line that defines your property. Ultimately, it's an investment that improves your quality of life, adds value to your home, and transforms your front yard into a true extension of your living space. Once you have your privacy fence in place, the fun of decorating begins. To make your fence a beautiful focal point, start by thinking about planting. A popular and effective method is to create a layered look with a mix of tall, medium, and low-growing plants in front of the fence. Consider planting tall, narrow evergreens like arborvitae or Leland cypress for a natural, living wall. For a softer look, train flowering vines like clematis or climbing roses to grow along the fence. You can also install planter boxes directly onto the fence to create a vibrant vertical garden with annual flowers or cascading plants. Decorative lighting is another fantastic way to enhance your fence. Use uplights at the base of the fence or string lights along the top to create a warm and inviting ambience in the evening. Adding decorative elements like metal wall art, a small water feature, or a stylish bench can also transform the space, making it a true outdoor living area. The key is to see the fence as a design opportunity, not just a boundary. When it comes to choosing a privacy fence, the material you select is crucial for both aesthetics and durability. Here are some of the best options available. First, wood, a timeless and classic choice. Wood offers natural warmth and can be stained or painted to match any home style. It's versatile but requires regular maintenance to prevent rot and warping. Second, vinyl. Known for its low-maintenance properties and durability, vinyl fencing comes in a variety of styles and colors. It's resistant to rot, pests, and weathering, making it an excellent long-term investment. Third, composite. Made from a mix of wood fibers and recycled plastic, composite fencing provides the look of wood without the high maintenance. It's incredibly durable and resistant to fading, scratching, and staining. Fourth, wrought iron or aluminum. While not providing full visual blockage, these materials are fantastic for security and creating a defined boundary. They are durable, long-lasting, and can be paired with landscaping like hedges for added privacy. Fifth, masonry like stone or brick. For a sturdy, sophisticated, and permanent solution, masonry fences are unmatched. They are highly durable, excellent for noise reduction, and offer a truly grand aesthetic. Now, let's get to the fun part. To complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 best front yard privacy fence designs to inspire you for your next project. 1. Slatted wood privacy screen. Sleek and modern slatted wood design. This design showcases a beautiful, horizontal slatted wood fence, providing a sophisticated and contemporary look. The spacing of the slats offers privacy while still allowing light and air to pass through, creating a sense of openness. The dark stain of the wood contrasts perfectly with the white posts and clean concrete base, making it a striking architectural feature. This type of fence is perfect for modern or minimalist homes and pairs wonderfully with simple, well-maintained landscaping. 2. Classic picket fence with lush landscaping. Charming white picket fence with flower garden. A timeless classic. This photo captures the quintessential charm of a white picket fence. The fence itself, with its evenly spaced pickets, provides a soft boundary. The real magic, however, is in the abundant and colorful flower beds that grow alongside it. This design uses the fence as a backdrop to showcase a variety of beautiful plants, creating a welcoming and visually stunning entryway. It's a perfect choice for traditional and cottage-style homes. 3. Tall white vinyl privacy fence with garden beds. Ultimate privacy with a clean white vinyl fence. For maximum privacy and low maintenance, a tall white vinyl fence is an excellent choice. This design features a solid fence that creates a completely private backyard sanctuary. The stark white of the fence is beautifully softened by the lush, multicolored plants in the garden bed in front. The varying heights and textures of the shrubs, flowers, and ornamental grasses add a dynamic element to the space, making the fence a clean canvas for a beautiful garden display. 4. Modern horizontal wood and concrete wall. Contemporary two-tiered wood and concrete fence. This design is a masterclass in modern landscaping. It combines the raw, industrial feel of a concrete retaining wall with the warmth of horizontal wood slats. The two-tiered structure adds visual interest and defines different levels of the yard. The simple, clean lines of the wood and the unadorned concrete create a sophisticated and architectural feel. This fence is ideal for sloped yards and homes with a modern or craftsman aesthetic. 5. Elegant black metal and shrubbery combination. Ornate black metal fence and natural green privacy screen. This fence design perfectly balances security and aesthetics. The ornate black metal fence, with its detailed finials, provides a classic, elegant boundary. The real privacy comes from the perfectly manicured hedge planted along the base. The combination of the rigid, man-made fence and the soft, natural greenery creates a beautiful contrast and offers a high level of privacy without feeling too imposing. It's a sophisticated look that works well with a variety of home styles. 6. Multi-level dark wood slatted fence. Multi-tonal slatted wood privacy fence. Here, we see another excellent example of a horizontal slatted wood fence. This design uses a rich, dark-stained wood, creating a striking presence that provides excellent privacy. The multi-level sections of the fence follow the natural contours of the yard, adding a unique, custom-built feel. The dark wood acts as a perfect contrast to the bright green lawn and landscaping, making the entire front yard feel polished and well-designed. 7. Stylish black slat fence with a modern house. Sleek black horizontal slat fence with white trim. This design is the epitome of modern elegance. The fence features a series of narrow, black horizontal slats set between clean, white-painted concrete posts. The result is a bold, clean, and contemporary look that complements the modern architecture of the house. This fence provides a high degree of privacy while its design elevates the entire property's curb appeal, making it a statement piece in itself. 8. Rustic stone wall privacy fence. Grand and timeless stone wall privacy fence. For a truly grand and lasting statement, a stone wall is an unbeatable choice. This fence is a work of art, featuring a mix of different sized and colored stones laid in a beautiful pattern. The fence provides total privacy and security, and its natural textures and colors blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. This design is perfect for creating a sense of history and permanence and works beautifully with Mediterranean or rustic-style homes. 9. Lush green hedge privacy fence, the ultimate living privacy wall. Sometimes the best fence isn't a fence at all, it's a hedge. This picture shows a meticulously maintained hedge that creates a natural, lush green wall. A hedge offers a level of softness and natural beauty that no man-made material can replicate. It provides excellent privacy and is a fantastic way to introduce more greenery into your front yard design. This is a classic, elegant, and eco-friendly choice for a privacy boundary. 10. Modern dark-stained wood and metal privacy fence, contemporary wooden slats with a black metal frame. This design features a striking combination of warm, dark-stained wood and a sleek, black metal frame. The horizontal wood slats create a stylish and modern aesthetic while providing the necessary privacy. The integration of the wood and metal elements gives the fence a robust and high-end feel. This fence design is versatile and can work well with both modern and industrial-style homes, making it a great choice for a bold statement. And that's a wrap on our top 10 front yard privacy fence designs. I hope you feel inspired to create a front yard that's not just a pass-through but a beautiful, private space for you and your family to enjoy. Whether you prefer the warmth of wood, the durability of vinyl, or the classic elegance of a living hedge, there's a perfect privacy fence out there for you. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which design was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more tips on making your home and yard the best they can be. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. you.